Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am here with my September kit lineup and foil pairings. Just like with August, I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I've just lost. I thought yesterday I was ready to film this video and I was like, oh no, I forgot to choose like my core foils or like a foil bundle to go with the kits. And now I'm like, ugh. So we'll go over September, but I feel like just like with August, I'm gonna have to go back and show you guys. So I am gonna go back and show you guys, I think, what's gonna be my actual August lineup. I'm pretty sure I'm like set on it, but September is very up in the air. I basically yesterday I had my computer open, I had my phone open, and I had this next to me, and I was looking at Planet Hannah to get all of my underlays because I haven't ordered them yet because I'm always behind. And I thought I did a good job, and I still think I did a good job. But then when I went to pick out like other foil pairings to go with the underlays, I feel like that's where I lost it. So we might have to do like an update in October back into September, but I feel like that's kind of fun. So like I said, we'll start with August because some things have changed really quickly. So yes, this stayed the same. These two kits switched because I was sure that Avery started school the 13th. She started the 17th. So I had to switch these two kits, which I'm totally fine with. So I'm still using Blair for August 8th through the 14th, the Blair kit. I still am using the Matte Bronze Confetti Foil Bundle from SPC, but I did get the Subway tiles from Planet Hannah in her light blue. I'm really excited for this. So this pairing, I only added one thing, but I did switch the weeks because I just wasn't paying attention. So for August 15th to the 21st, I'm still using the Crest Press Back to School kit. I'm still using the SPC, is this just pink? Yeah, just the pink Twinkle foil bundle with it. Here, I'll show you this. But I am adding the Planet Hannah, oh, which by the way, I do have a code with Hannah for 15% off. You use Fantasy15, you get my freebie, or you can just put Kirsten or Fantasy in the notes to get my freebie if she's having a sale. So this is from Planet Hannah. This is the ABC underlays in her orange. I felt like the pink and the orange, super fun together, especially with this kit. I also did get custom boxes in gold. You'll see all of this in my haul. It's coming next. But this is in gold. I should have got it in a different color. I'm a little bit annoyed that I got it in gold, but like, it's fine. First day of second grade. I'm still learning. Oh, the Places You'll Go and ABC. I just love that pink and orange together. It's just such a fun combo that you don't normally see. I did not change anything for the 22nd through the 28th, nor the 29th through the 4th. So now we can get into September. So let me just move this out of the way. So September 5th through the 11th, I think my kits for the most part are going to stay the same unless something crazy comes out that I absolutely have to use. My kits are going to stay the same, and they all are pretty much fall themed, which is kind of weird for me. Typically September and October are Halloween, but I don't know, there just wasn't a lot of Halloween art I was vibing with this year. So it's kind of fall, and I'm kind of excited for it. So September 5th through the 11th, I'm using the SPC Hello Pumpkin kit. I'm really excited about this because, again, just like with the Back to School kit, this color palette is gorgeous. The like teal blue with the bright orange. It's just really fun. I think it's really pretty. I did order underlays for this. I don't remember what color I ordered them in. I got the Leaves 2.0, but now I'm kind of debating not using that because I found these. They're from Sadie Stickers. I forgot I had them. They're in gold, which by the way, September is all gold. It's a mess. But these are the Leaf Confetti underlays, and I thought these would actually be really cute. Potentially, when the Leaves 2.0 come in, I'll get like a better visual, but I thought that these would be really cute to use with this. I also have a foil bundle from Crest Press. This is the Pumpkin Spice foil bundle. Oh, it goes this way. It came out last year, and I thought it'd be cute because it has like the vines and like the plaid, and there are pumpkin headers, which is pretty cute. And I don't know, I thought that that would be kind of cute with this kit. Again, once I get that Leaves underlays in, I'll reassess, but I kind of have a feeling this is what I'm going to go with. just because I really like this, but also I can always use these, so worst case I just switch those out. So this is what I kind of, here I'm gonna do this, kind of have going for September 5th through the 11th. Then we're on September 12th through the 18th. I'll talk about this in my haul, but I like did not expect to bring home this kit, but I just kind of fell in love with it. It's the Golden Woods kit from SPC. These colors are kind of everything, the mustard, the orange, the brown, the olive, the burgundies, just really pretty colors. So I did get, I think it's Butterfly Kisses from Planet Hannah in her olive foil, which I'm very excited for. I went with olive because I felt like, I think it is one of the 4 colors. I have the label in here. I don't know why I like question. Let's look. Is it one of the 4 colors? It is. Yeah, so it is like one of the 4 colors, but I felt like in the full boxes, it like wasn't really represented too much. I'm a huge fan of olive green. Like you just see little bits of it, but it's not super everywhere. So I really wanted to do that. I think the butterflies are really pretty, especially because this tall girl back here has butterflies in her hair. And this is where things get still a little bit dicey. I feel like olive, perfect. I feel like Champagne Lights would be so good with this kit. I have, the only Champagne Lights I think that I have is the Shimmer Mixed Metal of Gold in Champagne Lights, which I could use. I'm trying to think if there's any Champagne Lights like just like plain. Like just like twinkle. I think there's Star, but I don't really want to use Star. I don't know. But I did pull out this Crest Press foil bundle. It's a shimmer foil bundle. It's in her like matte copper, which I still feel like works really well with this. And I feel like that would also take away from all of the gold going on in these spreads to have this like copper with this. I don't know, because Champagne Lights would be so pretty with this. But I just feel like this like coppery matte copper with like the olive would also blend really well together. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards right now. And I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. So this is September 12th through the 18th. Then we're moving into September 19th through the 25th. Oh, I have a lot one in this little pocket here. Cool. So I have this Crest Press kit. I wasn't sure what to use because this was such like an open week for me. Like I had nothing really to use here and I was like, oh, just go through my kits. This is Crest Press's May Mystery. It's called Moody. I thought again the olive green was kind of everything to me. And I didn't know when else I would use this, but I also really like this kit. So I was like, let's go ahead and use it. So I have this and then I have a bunch of gold stuff. I have had these, which makes me really happy. These are the scratch underlays from Planet Hannah in gold. I've been wanting to use this scratch pattern for a while and I feel like it looks really nice with this kit. So then I also just pulled out some gold stuff from SPC. Washi Wise Gold Twinkle, Gold Solid Bow. The golds are different, but I don't really care too much. And then for full boxes, I have Gold Twinkle full boxes. I'll probably try and do a lot of quotes maybe with this week. And then I also have the Stroke Gold. For headers, I have a set that aren't available anymore, but I think they would actually look really cool with this kit. I don't know what these were called. They kind of just, I don't know, they look like splatters. I don't know. Here. I don't even know how well you're going to be able to see them. But they're pretty cool, and I figured I would just go ahead and use those with the kit. And then in the sidebar, I just have the regular, like, whimsical bow in gold. I feel like this is a good combo. I'm not mad about it. This would also look really great with, like, matte bronze. With copper, I think would look great with this. But I just, like, I really wanted to use the scratch, and I was like, gold it is. And I'm not mad about that one. So that's, like, probably the only kit that I feel as though I have everything for. And then last but not least, we have September 26th through October 2nd. I have this kit, which is still available in shop, but it's an older format. Again, this is one of the ones I went digging through my collection because I was like, I need like a Halloween spooky kit or some sort of fall kit. And I saw this and I realized I hadn't used it. So I was like, I kind of want to use this. So this is the Spooky Pumpkin Patch kit from SPC. I also feel like this is a good week to go to Pumpkin Patch because it's like the first week of October. Again, I didn't use this last year when it came out, and I think it's really fun and dark and like, it looks like Avery, and it's just so cute, and I really like it. I love a little boy. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it. I think it's really fun and exciting. I got the Pennywise underlays from Planet Hannah. Couldn't tell you what color I got them in, but I think they're gonna look cool because they're like kind of like a scarecrow and like a like a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. Anyway, so I'm using this, but I also pulled in, I have those underlays coming, but I also pulled in some of the SPC, once again gold, Halloween foil. So I have the bottom washi, the full boxes, the headers, and then this is one of the freebies that went out, but I really like this, like, I think this overlay would be cool. And then these are like 3 headers that there's 6 of them here actually, that I think that would be cool on the sidebar headers. I don't know, I thought it would kind of mesh well. Plus I just feel like this gold is gonna pop so well with these dark colors. So I have these, plus I have those underlays coming. So once again, you'll see those in an upcoming haul / in my October kit lineup, which I did also purchase all of my underlays for October. So my October kit lineup should be relatively put together. So just as another once through, September 5th through the 11th, Hello Pumpkin from SPC with a bunch of gold stuff, crest press, pumpkin spice, sadie stickers, leaf confetti, underlays. These are probably like 2 years old at this point potentially. September 12th through the 18th, into the, or Golden Woods, not Into the Woods, there is Into the Woods. Golden Woods from SPC with crest press shimmer in like a coppery color, and then I have olive butterfly underlays coming. September 19th to the 25th, crest press May Mystery Moody, love this, with just a bunch of gold, Plan a Hannah scratch underlays, looking forward to that. And then September 26th through the October 2nd, I have Spooky Pumpkin Patch from SPC. I have Plan a Hannah underlays coming, and then the gold SPC Halloween foil. So that's it for my September kit lineup / my fixed August kit lineup. I'm so sorry I've been so like all over the place. I just need to get my act together. It's gotten to the point where like I haven't really decided what kits I'm using until like 3 days before I want to plan to film these videos. And then I'm like, well, I still have to get all my stuff, you know, like underlays and stuff. So I'm trying to be better. I have October kind of figured out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.